Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description, and if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. The full tutorials for different websites that I have built are available on the channel. Please do visit the channel for more amazing content. Now let's go through the website. So let's go to the website. Right now we are in the home section. You can see the type effect, the name Abhiram. You can see the typing effect, and the starting page is done by using type to JavaScript library. And you can see the effect of motion effect for the objects. This is also done by using JavaScript. And you can see the hover effect on the button, 3D button. You can see the 3D button effect and the menu bar. You can see. Now let's go to the about section. This is the about section, and you can see the typing effect here. You can see how the details are getting typed on one sentence after the other. You can see the hover effect on the buttons. You can see the hover effect on the button, the color changing effect. Then we can go to the skills section. You can see we have done the bar animation effect that we have used here to represent our skills, the percentages. And by clicking on the experience, we can go to the experience section. You can see how smoothly we have designed, integrated the icons also. You can see the icons and education section. Then we can go to the services section, and you can see the hover effect on the services bar blocks, like a 3D object moving, and you can see changing color and the icon also, and you can see how they are moving based on the movement of the mouse. The hover effect, and then we can go to the projects portfolio section, that is projects, and we have used the filter effect, that we can filter the projects based on the domain that we have presented here, and you can see the hover effect on the images also. And if we go to the web development, web application, we only have 3 projects, and we can go to the mobile app, we have only 1 project. We have Canva design, we have 2. So this is the filter effect that we have done by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And when you click on any one of the projects, you will be taken to that image directory for that particular project. You can see you can add more images, and you can move from one image to another image here. And you can also view details by clicking on this project details button. You can see the name of the project, the category and project basic information, and the link to the project and what tools we have used. You can see all this, and also by clicking on this project details button, you can see that it will closes back, and we can go back to our portfolio section. It is available for each and every section, every project. Very smooth animation, and you can see the box effect around it, a 3D block effect. And you can go to the contact new section. You can see the hover effect on the box, and the icons also integrated. You can see how smooth transition is in place for the each and every input elements, and the submit button. This website is entirely responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile and tab version. And this website also has light and dark mode. You can see here by clicking on this right side light button, you can move to the light mode. This is the light mode. You can see the hover effect, transitions. You can see how the website. You can see smooth transition effects, how neatly they are aligned, and you can see the hover effects in every section. Entirely made like a 3D blocks. Very professional look to your portfolio. Very impressive with the recruiters. You can change back to light and dark mode by clicking on the same button. You can switch between light and dark mode. The website is entirely responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile and as well as in tab version. You can see this is the mobile version of the website. can see the smooth transition effect and how everything is aligned perfectly based on the size of the screen that we have, because in the mobile sections we don't have that much amount of space, right? We have in the tab or in the desktop we have lot of space, and we can go to each and every section easily. Mm, well, you can see the filter effect also. This is the mobile version, how neatly they have all been aligned. And you can also change the theme by clicking on this button here, the theme change. From one section to another section using the nav bar. You can see it gives a very professional look to the website. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. And if you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. The full tutorials are also available on the YouTube channel. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. And definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. There are a lot of tutorials available on the channel, and lot of websites that are built, portfolios, restaurant websites, car rental websites. You can learn front-end development. Uh, Thank you.